Asia is home to some of the fastest growing economies on the planet. But have you ever wondered how their stock markets actually work? How does money move in places like Japan, China, India, South Korea, and Singapore? Why do global investors pay so much attention to what happens in Asian markets? Today, you're going to understand the system that powers trillions of dollars across the world's largest continent. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how the Asian stock market operates and why it matters to everyone, even if you live far away. The basic idea of a stock market is simple. Companies sell ownership shares to raise money, and investors buy those shares hoping they'll grow in value. But Asia doesn't have just one stock market. Instead, it's a huge mix of different exchanges, each with its own rules, its own currency, and its own style of investing. Together, they form one of the biggest financial networks in the world. 1. The major stock exchanges in Asia. Let's start with the biggest players. Here are Asia's most important stock exchanges. Tokyo Stock Exchange, Japan, one of the oldest and largest markets globally. Shanghai Stock Exchange, China, home to some of China's biggest companies. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, a major gateway between China and the world. NSE and BSE, India, two of the fastest growing markets. Korea Exchange, South Korea, known for tech giants like Samsung. Singapore Exchange, SGX, a financial hub for Southeast Asia. Each of these exchanges moves billions of dollars every single day. Together, they shape the economic direction of the entire continent. 2. How trading works in Asia. Here's what actually happens when someone buys a stock in Asia. Say you purchase a share of Toyota or Alibaba using your trading app. Your order doesn't go straight to the company. It goes through a broker who connects to the stock exchange. The exchange searches for someone selling the same stock at the price you want. Once a match is found, the trade is completed in seconds. After that, clearing systems move the money to the seller and the shares to you. Even though it looks simple, millions of these transactions happen every day, all controlled by strict regulations and high-speed technology. 3. How investors make money. Investors in Asia make money in two main ways. 1. Capital gains, buying a stock at a lower price and selling it higher. 2. Dividends, earning a part of the company's profits. A company like Samsung or Toyota pays regular dividends. Others, especially fast-growing tech companies, might focus more on reinvesting profits. This mix of growth and stability makes Asia a favorite market for both long-term investors and day traders. 4. What makes Asia unique? Asia's markets are very different from Europe or the US. Here's why. Huge population means more consumers and more economic activity. Fast-growing economies like India, Indonesia, and Vietnam attract new investors. Government influence, especially in China, can move stock prices quickly. Different currencies, yen, yuan, rupee, one add extra complexity for global traders. News events, policy changes, or even a single government announcement can shift the entire region's stock prices within minutes. 5. Important Asian stock indexes. Stock indexes help investors track overall market performance. Here are the major Asian ones. Nikkei 225, Japan. Hang Seng Index, Hong Kong. Shanghai Composite, China. Nifty 50 and Sensex, India. KOSPI, South Korea. Straits Times Index, Singapore. When you hear Nikkei is down or Sensex is up, it means the biggest companies in that country are rising or falling together. These indexes give a quick snapshot of how each economy is doing. 6. Why Asia matters to the world. Asia isn't just another region. It's the engine of global growth. When Asian markets rise, global companies benefit. When they fall, the entire world feels it. This is because Asia is home to massive industries like technology, electronics, automotive, manufacturing, and more. Investors watch Asia closely because the decisions made here influence everything from smartphone prices to oil, gold, and even global trade. So, that's the simple explanation of how the stock market works across Asia, a dynamic, fast-moving system that connects billions of people and businesses. If this helped you understand it better, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more clear breakdowns like this one. See you in the next video.